Hi, I'm Jessica Johnson, and I'd like to share with you today some information about my T3 Spray Serum. Now, the great part about this product is that this product replaces two products. It will replace your toner, and it will also replace those expensive hyaluronic acid serums that come in those tiny little 1-ounce bottles. So this is a product that you would use as part of your daily regimen. You would use this after you use our 3-in-1 oil or after you cleanse your skin, and it's very easy to use. You simply spritz it on the face, let it slightly dry, and then you can move on with your other treatment products, whether it be oils or creams. Most of our clients use it in this way. They will use our 3-in-1 hybrid face oil to remove their makeup. They will then reapply the oil, add water, and it becomes their cleanser. They will then take the T3 spray serum and spritz it heavily all over their skin. This applies a layer of hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. After it dries, they will then take 1 pump of our 3-in-1 oil, and they're done. Some clients do like to put an additional moisturizer over the top. But really what we're talking about is that out of these 2 bottles replace 5. So that's key. This product removes your makeup, cleanses your skin, and gives you intensive treatment oil. This product hydrates your skin and gives you antioxidants and peptides. So by using the 2 in conjunction, you have a full skincare regimen out of 2 bottles.